The topic that we are going to discuss today is topic 4.1. Topic 4.1, and we are going to discuss that what is a mixture. Well, the chapter that we are going to start today is mixtures, and the learning outcome that you must know is that you must recognize that substances can be classified as elements, compound and mixtures. So first of all, to understand the concept of elements, compound and mixture, you must know that what is an atom. Atom is the smallest particle of an element. What kind of particle it is? Smallest particle of an element. Now you must know what is an element. Element is basically a substance which cannot be broken down into simpler forms. Like for example, if you are going to have a look at your periodic table, then you are going to get to know about elements. This periodic table is having a lot of elements. As you can see, here is an element hydrogen. Hydrogen is basically the first element of the periodic table, and the atomic mass, as you can see, is atomic number is 1. While the second element of periodic table is helium, atomic number is 2. While lithium is the third, beryllium 4, boron 5, carbon 6, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, fluorine 9, neon 10, and so on. What are these? These actually are the symbols of these elements. To understand it further, have a look here. This is the symbol of element hydrogen. The same way, capital H and small e is the symbol, chemical symbol of element helium. So these are the elements, and so on. Like for example, carbon have capital C. Capital C is the symbol of element carbon. Now you all know what is an atom and what are elements as well, and how we represent these elements. Now these elements combine together and they form a molecule or a compound. Like for example, here I am going to tell you another example, that is O. It is chemical symbol of element oxygen. For example, a common example of compound or a molecule is water that you drink at your home. The chemical formula of water is H2O. This is subscript. It means that there are 2 atoms of hydrogen present in water molecule, and there is no subscript, so it means that only 1 atom of oxygen is present in the molecular formula of water. Now we must know what is a mixture. Anything that is not combined chemically and not forming anything new. Like for example, if I am going to take salt, like for example 1 tablespoon quantity of salt and a glass of water, and I am going to mix them, what I will get? I will get a salt solution. This salt solution is not a new product, is not something new. It is not a new compound or a molecule. It is still a salt solution, and I can separate out salt and water, salt from water, sorry, by a physical process that is known as evaporation. If the water is going to evaporate by the help of the process of evaporation, if I am going to heat this salt solution, what will happen? Water will evaporate and salt will remain. So as a result of this evaporation process, I will get salt back. So this is not a new product formation, this is actually just a process of mixing. So anything that can be separated out by a physical process is not considered as a compound. So this salt solution is not considered as a compound, it is considered as a mixture. So it is clear to all of you now that a mixture is made up of two or more elements and compounds which are not chemically combined.